Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Creative Stages. If you are new here, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any question related to this video, leave the comment in the comment section. So let's start the video. Watch the video till end. And if you have any question related to this video, leave the comment in the comment section. So let's get started. I am thrilled to have you here today because we are diving into something really exciting and creative. Frog cross stitch. Whether you are brand new to this or have been stitching for a while, don't worry. Frog cross stitch is easy to learn and a great way to make beautiful design using just a needle and some thread. Today we are going to explore the latest and the most beautiful frog cross stitch patterns that are currently trending. These designs are super cool and popular in the stitching community, and the best part, whether you are a beginner or a pro, you will find something here that perfect for your next project. Before we dive into these patterns, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumb up. And if you love pro cross stitching as much as I do, subscribing helps the channel grow and you won't miss out on any future tutorial and tips. So let's get started. The first pattern we are looking at today is a true classic. It's a design that never goes out of style and is currently trending because it's so versatile. The pattern is perfect for beginner because it is straightforward but still elegant and detailed enough to make a statement. The colors in this pattern use bright and cheerful, making it ideal for a spring or summer project. You can frame it and hang it up in your home for a pop of joyful color. One of the things I love most about this design is that you can really make it your own by changing up the colors. If you want something more subtle, choose of softer shades, or if you are feeling adventurous, opt for vibrant hues. It's all up to you. I also love how this pattern encourages creativity. You can easily add personal touch by tweaking the design or incorporating different stitches. The more you experiment, the more you will enjoy the frog cross stitching. Be sure to share your finished project with me. I will be love to see what you come up with. Next up, we have a simple yet delightful patterns. This one is perfect if you are short on time but still want to create something beautiful. It's quite to finish, so you will get that sense of accomplishment without committing to a long term project. This design is great for beginner too. It's straightforward, but the final result is charming and versatile. You can use this pattern to add a personal touch to any space. Whether you stitch it for yourself or gift it to a friend, it is sure to be appreciated. The best part, it doesn't take much time or efforts. So it's ideal for those moments when you want a relaxing and speedy project. If you are new to stitching, this pattern is a wonderful starting point. You will learn a few basic stitches, but it's not too complicated. And even if you have been stitching for years, this design provides a fun break from more intricate projects. If you love bold, bright colors, you are going to love this next pattern. It's all about vibrant energy. The design features bold, cheerful colors that are sure to lift your spirits. Whether you want to brighten up a room or create a lively gift for someone special, this pattern is an excellent choice. What I really appreciate about this design is its eye-catching appeal. The bold colors make it stand out and the simple shapes make it easy to stitch. Even if you are a beginner, you will complete this project with a sense of pride. If you prefer a more subdued look, you can always adjust the colors to suit your style. Opt for pastels or more muted tones if you wish. The flexibility of these designs allow you to adapt it however you like, and that's one of the reasons it's so popular right now. This next pattern is tailored for beginner. It's designed to be simple enough for someone just started out, but it still looks stunning when completed. The clean lines and straightforward stitches make it an excellent introduction to frock cross stitching. One of the best aspects of this pattern is that it's so approachable if you have been feeling nervous about starting your first project. These designs will help ease those concerns. It is easy to follow, and the end result is a beautiful piece that you will be proud to display or give to someone special. And if you are more experienced, don't worry. Sometimes it's nice to work on something simple and relaxing, and this pattern is perfect for that. For those who loves nature, this pattern is perfect. It features beautiful leaves and flowers, making it a wonderful project for anyone who enjoy the outdoors. Whether you want to add a touch of nature to your home decor or create something for a nature-loving friend, this design is a great choice. The details in this pattern provide a lovely organic feel, and you can get creative with the colors. Go for elastic greens and brown for a natural appearance or mix it up with bright unexpected color for a playful twist. Either way, this design is sure to impress. I can already picture how stunning this pattern would look frame and display in a living room or entryway. If you are looking for something beautiful and calming to stitch, this nature-inspired design is a must try. Geometric patterns are trending right now, and this pattern is all about clean lines and bold shape. It is contemporary take on traditional folk cross stitching with a sleek and modern feel. If you love minimalist or modern decor, this pattern is a perfect match. The bold geometric shape make a statement and the design looks stunning whether you choose a monochromatic color schemes or something more vibrant. It's a great way to experiment with shapes and colors. And the end result is something truly unique. Geometric patterns are also quite satisfying to stitch because they are so structured. There's something calming about working on clean lines and repeating shapes. So, if you are looking for a stylish yet relaxing project, this is the one for you. The next pattern is absolutely adorable. It features a cute frog, making it a perfect for anyone who loves animal or want to create a fun project for kids. These designs are always a hit whether you are stitching for yourself as a gift or for a child's room. The best part, they are beginner friendly, so even if you are new to frog cross stitching, you can complete this project with ease. If you enjoy these patterns that are a bit unconventional, this one for you. It's a whimsical, creative designs filled with fun details and make it stand out. So it's ideal if you're looking for a project that's light-hearted. Whether you opt for bright, bold colors or softer tones, this pattern is sure to bring smile on your face. Sometimes less is more, and the next pattern exemplifies that. It is a minimalist design with a sleek and sophisticated feel. If you love clean, simple line and understated beauty, this is a perfect project for you. This pattern is great for adding a touch of elegance to any room. It's simple enough for beginners but still look polished and refined. And because the design is so subtle, it will blend seamlessly into any decor style. So this is for today's video. I hope you enjoy this video. If you have any question related to this video, leave the comment in the comment section. Watch the video till end because I will give you many unique and beautiful ideas of frog cross stitch pattern. See you soon in the next video. Allah Hafiz.